Hello children, welcome back. As we know that today 11 July is celebrated as the World's Population Day. Is the reason the universe is eternal is that it does not live for itself. It gives life to others as it transforms. Yes, 100% true here. World Population Day aims to increase people's awareness on various population issues such as importance of the family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health and human rights. The day was suggested by Dr. Casey Zakaria, in which population reaches 5 billion when he worked as a demographer there. Objective of celebrations here: educate youths to avoid unwanted, reasonable and youth friendly measures there. Educate people to remove the stereotypes, gender stereotypes from the society, and also educate about the related illness to raise about the public awareness about dangers of early child birth there. So here, birth control is the blessings of the earth. Yes, here the World Population Day, this is the main measure that we have to be aware on this day here. So, my dear students, the world as it is, we are going with the pandemic, we have to take care of our planet Earth also here. Too much of anything is not good for health, and the same applies to our planet Earth, where population is concerned. A population is defined as being the number of organisms of the same species living in a particular area with the capability to interbreed. In the case we are talking about the number of human beings who stay in a city or a town region, country or world. As we mark World Population Day, if you see in the last 2020 July 11, sorry, in the today's date 2020 in July 11, we take look at that what the world is about, how much it can come being there. So if we see here, as per the reports, there was an estimated 7.8 billion people living on the earth as of March 2020. And with the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic, the number is expected to rise due to unplanned population size fluctuates at differing rates in the differing regions there. And Asia is the most populous continent, with China and India together constitute about 36% of the world's population here, which is huge population problems are bound to arise there. So the day came about, the how this day has come here. So the day came about in 1989 when it was established by the Governing Councils of United Nations Developing Program. It was inspired by the public interest in 5 billion day on 11 July 1987, the approximate date on which the world's population reached 5 billion people there. The Nations General Assembly decided to continue observing the day through its resolution 45 by 2016 of December in the 1990 there. So this day is significant because it highlights the problems of overpopulation, raises awareness about the effects of overpopulation on the environment and development. It also talks about the health problems faced by the childbearing woman and the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health and the human rights here. So, as we are running with the pandemic of the COVID, this year the safeguard the health rights and women and girls around the world, especially during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. A recent research highlighted that if the lockdown continues for 6 months and there is a major disruption to health services, then 47 million women in low and middle income countries might not have access to modern contraceptives. This would be in turn lead to the 7 billions unintended. So apart from that, it could be rise to be gender based uh, violence, female generation mutation and the child marriages there. So my dear students, Let's, on this World Population Day, let's pledge to acknowledge and spread awareness of one's humanity biggest problem, population explosion for our future generation, and also ensure a healthy environment. With these few words, I am going to conclude my few sentences. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Bye.